Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got a pretty cool knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the Poikilo, and from what I understand, this is the VK Shark. So let's take a look at it. Now, what you'll notice by just looking at the knife is, where's the hardware? If we look very carefully down in that lanyard hole tube there, you can see a Torx screw head there, but that's just for the clip. We've got an integral, but we've got these cool TI crystallized titanium insets there. So what do we do? Alright, so what to do, and I'll show you in just a second how this works, but take your just a wooden thingamabobber here, what's the word I'm looking for? Cotton tip applicator, that's it. And let's see if I can actually make this work. I got it a while ago because I tried it, but there is a little lever down here. Well, and I had it. There it goes. Ha! It's making it more difficult than it was. And then I can get to the screw there. So what's happening, as I should have explained, is what I'm doing is sticking this here and pushing that lever there, which is then allowing this to pop out, that piece there. So pretty cool. Alright, let's see if we can get into this. Was it very tight there? So this should be fairly simple. Now, I'm not sure exactly how to release the other one. So that's going to be fun. So maybe, just maybe that whole thing pushes out. And that would be the case. So this entire side is the pivot screw. We'll set that aside. We'll clean that out here in just a minute. But then that should mean that everything I wonder here. Let's take that loose. I don't know that that's going to do anything. But we've got this here piece here that I think may push right out. And let's take my tweezers here. So that should be the stop pin. That should, there we go. We're getting everything loose now. Let's take tension off here and pull it apart. And so you can see everything there. Okay. And then we've got our phosphor bronze here. And a lot of junk. So let's get that cleaned up. I'm actually going to pour out a little alcohol here into the cap, and we'll dunk everything in that. Well, not everything, but we'll Put that pivot in there. Okay, so this has a bushing as well. So we've got the bushing there. And you've got the phosphor bronze. So we'll drop that in there. Now we'll get us some cotton swabs here and start wiping everything down. And what we'll do is actually go back with that cotton tip applicator or another one very similar and clean all this out. You see we've got this piece here as well. We're just going to, actually I'm going to use this and wrap this around it and use that to clean out as much as I can get to in here. I guess I probably should pull it back under the camera there. We're going to take this and try to clean out all we can there. Got a pretty good bit out. Let's get another one here. And clean all of this stuff out of here. Any kind of grease or gunk there. I'm actually gonna, don't want to slide that piece one back in. Let's go ahead and do that, because I don't think that was interfering with us at all. I was thinking maybe, but no. Okay, let's get this side. Let's go ahead and clean that pivot. You can see that crystallized titanium there as well. Okay, make sure we get the pivot clean. Gotta wipe down this side as well. Whoop! It jumped. Okay, we've got that ready. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down this stop pin as well. We'll need to put that back in. And now I'm actually just going to make sure that the areas for the pivot are good to go. Clean out any junk there and actually get that lock face there. Okay. Let's get a fresh one, because I want to make sure that blade is, the pivot hole there is good, and also get here with where the stop pin goes. We'll check these cracks and crevices there and make sure they're clean. M398 for the blade still there. Alright, get that set to the side. I'm going to actually get another fresh cotton swab since we are cleaning off these those washers. Set that to the side to dry. And we have this bushing as well to get. I'm actually going to take and run that cotton tip applicator in there to clean that out. Make sure the edges don't have any debris on it. And then we've got one more thing. We've got this pivot here, pivot screw. Switch back to the T8 for that one. And I'm just going to clean that like I normally do. So, heretofore, not too crazy, but let's not get ahead of ourselves, because we got to get all this stuff slid back together. All right, so I think what I want to do is I'm actually going to take and put a little bit of gunny glide on each side there, about there. Well, let's slide this, slide that bushing in. And that should kind of help keep it stuck there. I may not have put quite enough, but we're going to try it and see. And I'm going to put a little bit here and here. And put that bushing on that side. So theoretically, I should be able to slide everything back together here. Gently get that in place. And I should be able to slide that. Oops, let's put that up a little bit. That stop pin and slide that in. I may have to move things around a little bit to get it lined up. There we go. Then we'll take this pivot and put that in place on this side. Again, have to take tension off there and push that into place. Turn that, index that, get that in. All right. Now I'm going to take and put this, put some of this Loctite stick on it. And get that into place, and then we'll figure out, of course we're going to have to make sure we have this properly tuned before we pop that cover back on. See, the centering's good there. I'm not feeling any movement there. Let's see if I can loosen that just a tad. I've got Loctite on it, so it doesn't have to be really, but when I did that, when I loosened a little bit, it brought it off center. So let's tighten it back up just a hair. And that's gonna loosen up a little bit and break in as we manipulate this. So all I'm doing is taking this piece here and snapping it back on. Everything nice and tight, and there we have it. Actually went a little smoother once I got everything figured out. But this is actually the first time that I have disassembled this knife. So I had taken that that one cover off, but that's as far as I went. And again, to pop that cover off, you just take a, for example, take one of these, and what we're going to do is loosen that latch there. And let's see if I can actually show you. You see how it came, pop right off there that time. All right, so it's not difficult, and I kind of like that. It makes for a very smooth design. And this particular knife does have front flipper. You've got that opening hole there, and you've got a flipper as well. And I can feel that oil getting spread around on those washers, and that's just going to continue to break in and loosen up. So there you have it. That is the Poikilo. Looks like it's a VK Shark. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Let me know what you think about the knife, and I'll give it a few days and plan on doing a review. Hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see y'all again soon. Thanks for watching.